Today I'm going to make my unorthodox cornbread. The first thing I do is I'm going to cream some butter and sugar into a bowl. Then I'm going to add cream cheese. Now I'm using about, in this case, I'm using a cup and a half of sugar. It's going to be extremely sweet. Now, as it's creaming itself down, I'm now going to add cream cheese. Now I have one of the smaller packets of cream cheese. I'm going to use about half of that. The cream cheese and the butter are being mixed together. At this point, I'm going to add just a little condensed milk. About a half a can of the condensed milk. Things are still sweet on it. At this point, I will do 4 eggs. One and a half teaspoons of vanilla. Add 1 1/2 cup of flour. And 1 1/2 cup of cornmeal. This is white cornmeal. Better late than never. I almost forgot to put in my baking powder. It's a little late, but I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons of baking powder because this is going to be a very heavy mixture. Now I am going to put about a cup of milk into my mixture. I like having corn in my cornbread, so I add about a can of corn to my cornbread. I will not overbeat it. At this point in time, I just want to make sure I get all the corn in and it's distributed, but I don't want to beat it too much longer. So that's about it. Next, I'm going to grease a pan and I'm going to put this in the oven for about an hour 10 minutes at 350. I have greased the pan thoroughly, and I've already set my oven at 350. I'm going to stick it in the oven, and about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes, this should be ready.